Welcome to Langkawi, located on the northwest coast of Malaysia. Langkawi is an archipelago of 99 islands in the Andaman Sea, just a short flight from Kuala Lumpur. Known for its pristine beaches, emerald waters, and lush rainforests, Langkawi offers the perfect mix of tropical beauty and budget-friendly adventure. Whether you're exploring hidden waterfalls or enjoying duty-free shopping, this island has something for every traveler. And here's the good news. You don't need a fat wallet to make the most of it. In this video, we're diving into how to travel to Langkawi, Malaysia on a budget that will be big on experience but light on cost. Ride the iconic SkyCab for stunning panoramic views, explore the magical Telaga Tujuh waterfalls, and walk the thrilling Skybridge. Visit the Langkawi Wildlife Park, soak in the views from Gunung Raya, and unwind at Pantai Cenang Beach. Don't miss island hopping to nearby gems like Pulau Dayong Bunting, kayaking through mangroves, exploring the Langkawi Geopark, and catching a dreamy sunset at Tanjung. And the best part? You can enjoy all this without overspending. To make your Langkawi adventure easier, we've handpicked the most essential travel accessories tailored for this trip. From the ideal travel bag to breathable clothing, comfortable footwear, and sunscreen, this list covers all the basics you'll need for this tropical trip. Find all the links down in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more budget travel videos every week. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the top 10 things to do in Langkawi, Malaysia. Number 1. Ride the Langkawi SkyCab and Skybridge. Start your adventure with one of Langkawi's most iconic experiences. The SkyCab cable car takes you up Mount Mat Singkang for incredible views, and the Skybridge, a curved walkway suspended above the rainforest, offers a thrilling photo opportunity like no other. Number 2. Relax at Pantai Cenang. Langkawi's most popular beach, Pantai Cenang, is perfect for budget travelers. With soft white sand, turquoise waters, and beachside cafes, it's the ideal place to swim, sunbathe, or sip a coconut while watching the sunset without spending a fortune. Number 3. Take a boat tour in the Kilim Karst Geoforest Park. Explore limestone caves, mangrove forests, and hidden lagoons on an eco-friendly boat tour through the Kilim Karst Geoforest Park. Keep an eye out for eagles, otters, and even swimming monkeys in this UNESCO-listed wonder. Number 4. Snap a photo at Eagle Square, Dataran Lang. A must-visit for first-timers, Eagle Square features a giant statue of a reddish-brown eagle about to take flight, the symbol of Langkawi. Located near the Kua Jetty, it's a scenic spot for photos and a peaceful waterfront walk. Number 5. Cool off at 7 Wells Waterfall, Telaga Tujuh. This natural wonder gets its name from the 7 pools formed by waterfalls on Mount Mat Singkang. You can hike, dip in the cool water, or simply enjoy the jungle scenery. Great for nature lovers on a budget. Number 6. Visit Tangjang Beach. Looking for something quieter than Cenang? Head to Tangjang, a tranquil beach with crystal-clear waters and fewer crowds. It's perfect for a peaceful picnic or a swim, surrounded by limestone islets and mangrove forests. Number 7. Experience Langkawi night markets. Langkawi's night markets, Pasar Malam, rotate locations daily and are filled with cheap and tasty local eats. Try roti canai, grilled seafood, and sweet coconut pancakes, all for just a few ringgit. Number 8. Explore the underwater world Langkawi. Located at Pantai Cenang, this massive aquarium showcases marine life like sharks, stingrays, and even penguins. It's a fun, educational break from the beach, great for families and curious travelers alike. Number 9. Discover Msuri's tomb and cultural complex. Dive into local legends at the tomb of Mahsuri, a young woman whose tragic story is deeply tied to Langkawi's history. The cultural complex also features traditional Malay houses, performances, and crafts. Number 10. Island hop to Pulau Beras, Basah, and beyond. Langkawi is made up of 99 islands, and island hopping is one of the best ways to see its natural beauty. Popular stops include Pulau Beras, Basah, known for its clear water and soft sand, and Dayong Bunting Island with its mysterious lake of the Pregnant Maiden. Next, let's break down the easiest and most affordable ways to travel to Langkawi, Malaysia, from America, Europe, and Asia. Getting to Langkawi is easier than you might think, with well-connected flight options from various parts of the world. For travelers from North America, there are no direct flights to Langkawi, but it's easily accessible via 1 or 2 stopovers, typically through Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, or Doha. Major carriers like Qatar Airways, Emirates, Singapore Airlines, and Malaysia Airlines offer connecting routes from cities like New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, and Dallas. Round-trip fares usually range from $850 to $1,400, depending on the season and how early you book. If you're flying from Europe, getting to Langkawi is quite straightforward. Major European cities like London, Frankfurt, Paris, and Amsterdam are linked to Langkawi via 1 or 2 stopovers, most often in Kuala Lumpur, Doha, or Singapore. Airlines like British Airways, Qatar Airways, Turkish Airlines, and KLM operate these routes, with round-trip prices typically between $600 and $1,100, depending on the route and travel dates. Travelers from Asia have more direct access. From cities like Bangkok, Singapore, Tokyo, Seoul, and Jakarta, you can reach Langkawi via a short stop in Kuala Lumpur or Singapore. Airlines such as AirAsia, Scoot, Malaysia Airlines, and Batik Air offer competitive fares. From India, common routes involve a layover in Kuala Lumpur or Singapore, with one-way fares starting at $150 and round-trip options from around $400. Airlines like AirAsia, Batik Air, and Sri Lankan Airlines serve this route affordably. Prices and availability can vary, so it's smart to book 2 to 3 months in advance and compare across travel platforms for the best deals. Next, let's discuss the transportation options in Langkawi, so you can explore this stunning island without breaking the bank. Getting around Langkawi on a budget is simple and stress-free, thanks to its affordable and accessible transport options. One of the most popular choices for travelers is renting a scooter or motorbike, with prices starting at just $7 to $10 per day. It's a great way to explore the island at your own pace, whether you're heading to hidden waterfalls, panoramic viewpoints, or quiet beaches. If you prefer not to ride, Grab, the regional ride-hailing app, is a reliable and cost-effective alternative to taxis. A short ride between popular areas like Pantai, Cenang, and Kuala Town typically costs between $2 and $5. Taxis are available island-wide, but most don't use meters, so it's best to settle the fare before your trip. They can be more expensive, especially for longer routes or airport transfers. For group travelers, shared minivans and airport shuttles offer better value, usually priced between $3 and $6 per person. Many parts of Langkawi, especially near the beach towns, are easy to explore on foot, with restaurants, shops, and attractions close together. With thoughtful planning and a flexible attitude, you can see all of Langkawi's highlights without overspending on transportation. And finally, let's dive into the Langkawi Food Guide, where you can enjoy delicious local dishes without stretching your budget. Langkawi's food scene is a mouth-watering blend of Malaysian street eats, tropical flavors, and rich local spices. And the best part? You don't need a big budget to feast like a local. One must-try dish is nasi lemak, Malaysia's beloved coconut rice served with sambal, fried anchovies, egg, and peanuts, usually just $1 to $2 at roadside stalls. Craving something fried and flavorful? Grab a roti canai or murtabak for around $1.50. Perfect for a quick bite any time of day. For something more filling, try a plate of mee goreng or char kway teow for just $2 to $3 at local hawker centers. Seafood lovers, you're in for a treat. Langkawi is known for its fresh grilled fish, prawn satay, and spicy squid, often served at open-air beachside food courts for $5 to $8 a meal. To eat like the locals do, head to night markets like those in Kua Town or Pantai Cenang, where you can enjoy a full meal, drinks, and dessert for under $10. Great food at small prices. Langkawi knows how to satisfy your appetite on a budget. So, that's all for today. This ultimate Langkawi budget travel guide proves you don't need to spend a fortune to experience Malaysia's island paradise. From relaxing on Pantai Cenang to riding the SkyCab and devouring street food, smart planning goes a long way. If you're ready to make your Langkawi dream trip happen without draining your wallet, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll catch you in the next video.